I'm Richard, this is Garage Trouble, and today we're working on my 2000 Honda S2000. If you want to get caught up, last episode I failed to fix a ringing shifter. Nope, still a ring there. Son of a bitch. So today we're going to be doing a shifter rebuild. Apparently this can crack. Put this in. I'm gonna mix it up with some hot water. 14 mil. Pry tool. 3 connectors underneath. Find each of these tabs. Put a flathead in between. There's little triangles indicating where. Yeah, that's gonna hurt. Take out the isolator, pull that lip. There we go. Leave the spring in, and this is what we'll be replacing today. Actually, it is worthy of note. So this is the back. This notch is towards the driver. This notch is towards the front. All right, we cleaned up a lot of the grease from the last video, and we're gonna try removal that I saw LHT Performance perform. And we're gonna see if, well, it works. You're gonna have to hit harder than that. Well, that's one way of doing it. All right, I managed to do that without marring the surface of this. Get some of this extra grease off and get everything ready to go on. Got this cleaned off. Remember that this piece front needs to be going that way, and this needs to be oriented towards the driver, with this piece going away. Trying to get inside all the nooks and crannies on the inside, because once it's pushed in, it'll be very difficult to lubricate the inside. Make sure we orient this front. All right, got that in. No cracks. We use all this excess, grease up the outside. Also probably add some more. And as we can feel, there's like very little movement or slop. Probably should have done this the first time. Now we're gonna get a lot of grease on a little one. This is where I think I did a bad job before with the brass shifter bushing. Might not be on them. It might have been user error. Not doing a good enough job greasing that all up. Now we're gonna pull this right off briefly. Put a little bit of grease in there too. Then we'll push it in. Always wear safety glasses. Tons of grease in the bushing. Now we're gonna get the outer part of the bushing completely coated. I don't know what this piece is called, but I'm gonna cover this as well. All right, here we go. Now that we have the shifter rebuilt with OEM parts, we can install it and see if that made a difference with the ringing. I'm not gonna re-grease all that because I did that literally a week ago. Let's see, we've got notch forward, notch pointed towards the driver. Yep. All right, had to go check the torque specs. It's 9.8 Newton meters or 7.2 pound feet. Next up is the boot. Put that in neutral. Recall that being easier last time. Wind the little tabs. Isolator. Counterclockwise to tighten it. Okay, let's take it for a drive. All right, car's up to temperature. So now we can push it a little harder, see if it rings at a high RPM. Usually ring right there. Yeah, as far as I can tell, it's gone. That's great. Thanks for watching.